All right, so we'll do more string methods. We did a few last videos. So this one, we do more string methods. You can see some of the methods are here. Capitalize, center, count, ends with, find. So many methods are there. We'll take a few useful ones, starting with the find method here. So you see in this example, use the find method, which basically gives you the index, right? So banana, if you look up the find method, if you use the find method on this string to look for the character A, it's giving you an answer 1 because the first character is starting at position 0, B, and then the A is at position number 1. So you can use the same thing for a string as well. So find NA. So you look for the string NA, starts in position number 2 because B is in position 0, A is in 1, and N is in 2. So the NA starts with position number 2, right? So the find method, very useful one to give you the index. Okay, there is a method called strip where we basically take the spaces out and it prints it as you can see here. There is another useful method called startswith, used quite often. So take a string, use startswith. So you have string like have a nice day, starts with have. So basically it's a true statement because it's a true Boolean value because it starts with have. So you can look for a specific string. If a string starts with that specific string, you take an action or uh, do something else otherwise. So starts with, strip, find, 3 methods, and you can combine these methods too, like you can see in the example here. So let's see a small example, right? So I have this code in this window. So you basically have a language Python. So I'm finding T and I have a variable to store the value. So post T, position of T, it gives me an answer of 2 because Python P is character 0, Y is in position 1 and T in position 2. And the next thing I do is find the string on, which is in position number 4 as you can see. So 0, 1, 2, 3, on starts in position number 4. And another one to explain starts with, if the name starts with Mr. or Mrs. I'm having a small logic here. So if the string starts with MR or MS, I'm saying it's a correctly entered data. Otherwise, I'm saying check the name prefix. So I'm setting a value Mr. John, running this code, and it's correct data. I'm going to keep something else here and run it. So it's going to check the name prefix. So basically, starts with method, find method, very useful methods. There are so many of them, but these are some of the exam methods which we did, and you can always look up the help on the other methods. Okay, so strings are very useful, guys. Check it out, practice them. Let me know how it works for you. All right, thank you.